2, 1.
Good morning. We're gonna be doing a really nice, calming Zen project. Zen and Legend are currently sleeping. As soon as they wake up, I'm gonna have this all set up for them. I'll give you guys a hint. You ready? Do 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 do. A lavender farm that we pick some from not.
And action.
Action!
Oh my, let's ask him in a nice way to sit down and join us.
Moms and dads, this is a calm project that you and your kids can do together.
Oh no, are you okay? Oh my, let's fix that. Okay, let's sit. Everybody sit down on their little bottoms. Okay, we're... So first you're gonna cut it like this. And kids, you need a grown-up to help you and a special kids cutting knife. Always ask a grown-up to use a knife, right? I think we do. Look at this. We happen to have some right here. Perfect. Now we're gonna pour in some salt.
Mix.
Listen, Nellie, now you're gonna pour in the lavender. Can you pour it in? Show us how you pour it in. Wow, good job. So this is a more softer one, right? This isn't gonna be as exfoliating. This is gonna be more moisturizing. He can use that one. And there's another spoon over there. Do you want me to get it for you?
Yeah.
Okay.
A new one.
I think we need a little bit more coconut oil for this one. Do you think so, Legend? We might need a little bit more coconut oil. Can you get a little bit more in there? Great job. You guys are doing such good work together. You're making such a cool recipe.
We need 7 more.
7 more spoonfuls? Let's count the spoonfuls. Ready? 1, 2. Ooh, looks like we stopped right here. Let's put this over here. We don't want to get it all over.
That's okay.
Yep, and if we have it on our hands, what do?
We have on our aprons.
Looks like Legend's looking for another spoon over there.
Maybe we wipe on our aprons.
Yeah, oh look, I found a spoon right here. Looks like it broke. Did you guys break that one? That's okay. Okay, let's go. That one actually might do better, Legend. That's a good spoon. Very ingenious. Good thinking over there, huh? You got a spoon? Great job. We're having so much fun over here, huh? If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. And be sure to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget, be a legend and discover the world. Woo! Hey, Legend, are you still smacking your fingers over there trying it out? Oh my goodness. Hey, I have this all over my hands and my hands feel really nice and moisturized. This is so healthy for us, right? This is a really nice, fun, healthy, calming project to do. And guess what? Everybody in the family can use it after as a nice little moisturizer, especially in the winter when it's, what happens when it's cold out, right? What happens in the winter time? It gets cold, right? In the winter. Is it winter right now outside or no?
No.
No, it's... Yeah, it's entering fall pretty soon. You're right. And then we have to dress a little bit warmer. And guess what that means if it's entering fall? We have to go on a little shopping spree. Hey, maybe we could take our friends with us when we pick out some warm fall clothes, right? That'll be so fun. And they can see what you guys pick out for fall. Because we have to dress more warm for fall, right? Because why? The temperatures start to drop. And when the temperatures drop, we need to dress more warm. We need to wear warm clothes. Is Zenny dressed in warm clothes right now or not? No, Zenny's dressed for summer. Legend could wear that in the winter though, right? That looks pretty warm because it's long sleeve. This is long sleeved. Yeah. All right. Looks like you guys are having a lot of fun. This one, I think we need more coconut oil, huh? Do you want to add some more coconut oil? Let me help you get the coconut oil. Let's try to use our spoon, okay? Because that's a little bit neater. Let's scoop out the rest. Looks like we've got quite a bit in there. And we're gonna transport it to these here. Hey, what's a nice way to ask for a napkin? Yeah. Hey, Daddy, would you do us a favor, please? Could you bring over one of those dish towels in the sink on the left-hand side of the sink over there? And could you bring it here for us, please, so we can dry our hands a little bit because they're really, really oily? Thank you. That's a nice way to ask for a napkin, huh? Okay, let's see. Let's see if we could scoop this out. Hey, Zen, how about you hold the coconut? Yep, and I'm gonna scoop it out because I think I got a big one here. Ready? Hold it tight. Hold it tight. Tight, tight, tight. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Tight, 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 tight. Like that. Wow, look at that. Cool. So now we're gonna put this over here carefully. Okay, you wanna scoop it out? Scoop out a little bit more. And then we've got this, and we'll use a nice, pretty spoon. Good job. That's the finished product over there. And this one looks really nice. And what we can do is put it in the refrigerator. Is the refrigerator cold or hot? Cold, cold, like winter, right? Winter's cold. The refrigerator's cold, so it'll help to harden this a little bit if we want. And then we can take it out and put it in the bathroom after we wash our hands. We can put it on, or we can put it next to the sink over there, and we can use a little bit with a really nice spoon, and it makes your feel so soft and moisturized. So if you guys like this video, keep on watching for a few more minutes while we wrap this up.
I need something to punch this down.
You need something to push it down? Okay, let's see here. Okay, so Zen is just scraping out the last little bit here carefully. Great job. So that's the exfoliating one. Nope, dry your hands. Good. Okay, what's the one rule that we always do after we make a fun project or we make a mess? What do we do after? We clean up as we go. So we're gonna take all this, and Zen, you're gonna bring this over to Daddy carefully, please. And then come back and you can help me with the next part really quick, okay? Good job. Thank you so much for helping clean up. Go nice and slow. Bring it right to the sink, and you can put it on the right-hand side of the sink, and we'll wash it carefully. Right there. Great job, Zen. Thank you so much for helping, like a big helper you are. All right, now, let's show everyone over here what's going on. So we've got two different looks going on here. We've got this one, which is a more softer one, right? And then we've got this one, which is our exfoliating one.
Now we go put it in the fridge.
Good job. Here, we'll go